Hi, I'm Marna. Merry Christmas season. I have been so lucky lately with dolls. I have some dolls here that I actually bought on sale from AliExpress for a purpose. And that purpose is, I am really excited. My dance card is filling up for next year's collabs, and I am excited about that. And that is our puppy playing quietly, kind of, with a squeaky toy. Anyway, let's open this up and see what I got. I got some dolls and some doll stuff. Let's do the doll items first. Sometimes there's... Okay, I can't throw that on the floor today because puppy. I did peek in these because I was looking for something else to come. That sadly did not. I have some dolls going out as gifts, so I want to say that. Okay, this is for a collab coming up. I'm not going to tell you with who or what. And I'm deciding between, for my custom, which elf ears I want to use. But I'll use them both in the long run because I am really, let's put that here. I am really having fun customizing these Blythes. I'm not great at it, but I'm loving it. Especially the minis. Oh God, they're so cute. Oh, okay. Darren and I are working on some BJDs. 1/3 size, and we're going to be making some wigs. This is for one of the wigs. I got to order some other hair, but we don't know what color yet, so I'm glad to see that come. And then what is this? Oh, and then this is my BJD's eyes. I just got brown. I haven't tried them on them yet. Like I said, I'm just opening these packages. So that's my BJD and my collab. So let's open these. Oh, Blythe dolls. I am just smitten. I mean, over the moon with Blythe. Maybe it's because they're so whimsical, and even if I mess up an outfit, it still looks cute on them. Oh, there's a lot here. All right, so that's going to be a doll. I'm really spoiled. And I have Darren look at everything that I order. It's like, yeah, is it okay if I get this? And he's like, yeah, get it. So let's see what honestly, I don't remember. That's how spoiled I am.
Well, that and it takes forever. It's easy
yeah, it does take forever. In fact, just this morning, I ordered some stuff for Easter for my... Oh. We have a collab coming up. J Dolls UK and I on our Dolls Gone Goth. January, Creepy Clowns. And I hope you all will think about participating. Anyway, I bought this fabric on, well, obviously, AliExpress. I have a couple of ideas. Oh, that's cool. So that's fun. And I really checked these bags. I have gone to put them out. And, oh, I think this is, let me get really, really careful here. I have really been lucky with dolls. This is going to be a 3-part haul. I found some on sale, and I'll be showing you those. And we went to a garage sale. You won't believe what I found. I'm going to do that in a day. But it won't be like 3 days in a row because I have some things coming up. I'm saving this little bitty rubber band for hair. And some people don't like these. I absolutely love these dolls. Oh, that's a different color red. Oh, isn't she cute? These are the inexpensive Blythe dolls. These are less than $10. And I've been doing face-ups on them. And I got this little girl for, that is different. Oh, I really like it. I really like that bright orange too, but that's more of a melon than my other two. I got her for St. Patrick's Day. I want to do some different things. Not that I didn't already have one for St. Patrick's Day, but that's all right. All right, this might, well, I'll just open it up and see. Nope, it's not what I thought. Oh, look at this lace I found. It's really thick, like wide, but for the smaller dolls, I'm going to cut that in half. Isn't that pretty, that rainbow? Let me put it on here so you can see. Oh, not that. Can you see that better? Isn't that pretty? Oh, I really like it. Not for my creepy clown, but for something like that. Okay. Nothing else in this one. I saved these headbands. I am working on a couple of mini Blythes for gifts. Oh, these are our rings. Darren and I got new rings. We're double banded. I don't have mine on, but we have a silver ring, sterling silver wedding ring. There's a big story behind that. We wanted sterling silver and try to find that in a wedding band. Then we each have a running wolf band. I lost weight, so mine keeps falling off. I can only wear it.
Hey, now.
Well, you weren't fat. So we got these. Oh, these are pretty cool. Oh, these are Celtic. Wait a minute. Are these what we ordered? Oh, there we go. They are wolf rings. They are not sterling. That's okay. Yeah, that's cool. So now we're triple banded. Yay! If he walks into a bar and takes off his ring, they're going to see him because he's going to be all like, put one in his nose too. Not that he ever goes to the bar, which is the funniest part. And if he did, he'd take me with him. So we usually go everywhere together, actually. We always say that we've been together, what, 20-something years. We always say on our wedding anniversary, you know, it's 50 years. Because we're together all the time. And if you take the time that most couples are together, those few hours a day, and put them up against our 24 hours a day that we're together, well, oh, this is a doll. I don't have a collab for her that I'm doing. I might, but I don't. This is a doll. When the Blythe dolls went on sale, it was last month. Yeah, it was November. When they went on sale, I got up at 2 a.m. so that I could get the dolls I wanted, and this was one. You know, I like the dark skinned dolls. Oh, she is really wrapped well. I save all of this and this, and oh, even her string is wrapped. Wow, wow, wow. Very cool. Wow. This doll is wrapped up tight and right. Oh, she's so pretty. I love that dark skin, that American Indian skin. And look at this doll. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this hair. It is a light purple. It's a silvery purple hair. Oh, I am not disappointed. Look, oh, we should check the other doll's eyes too. Let's do that. Hers, let's check them. If you can see, this doll doesn't even need a face up. She already has the black around her eyes. She's matted. Her makeup is gorgeous. She has pierced ears. Her eyes are pink and gray. That's what I like. And blue. Ooh,
That's big eyelashes.
Beautiful. Nice eyelashes. Yeah, look at that. That's that orangish pink. I don't do. Yeah, it's orangish because there's the pink. So that's what we have. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. That's the eyes that she needs. Oh my goodness. Let's check this one. We didn't even look at it. I like the blue on these and the green. I am not a fan of those pink. Who in the meeting said, ooh, let's do pink eyes? I love the green. See, isn't that weird? I mean, they match her hair, but... And I don't even mind the light blue. I like those, but I like that blue. That's what I really like. I will, and it is not easy to do, I will change the eyelashes. They have really been molding those in. It used to be you could just take a straight pin and get those out, but now it really takes some doing. Well, let's move on because this is getting kind of long. And here are more dolls. My Collab doll should be in here. I have a collab coming up in February, I think the 11th, and it's really going to be fun. I'm really, really, really looking forward to it. And I bought a doll for it. I think we each bought a doll for it, and I think we each might have got the same doll. We'll have to wait and see. And I think that's February 11th. Nice box. Yeah, here she is. Okay, let's see what this is so I can move it out of the way and not lose it. Oh, ducks. Aren't they adorable? Little rubber ducks. So cute. Those, if you see a Jeep, my son has a new Jeep, and he goes Jeeping to all the parks and stuff. And he had told me that if you see a Jeep that you like, you leave a rubber duck on the door. And it's like a big compliment in the Jeep community. So guess what? I have been leaving ducks, but these are cute for my dolls. Anyway, let's take a look at this doll and see if she is as pretty as, oh boy. And I should have said my middle son and his wife, because she's all in too. Those two are so much fun. Just so much fun. Wow, this is a pretty, pretty doll. Oh, the hair's different. It's more auburn than the bright red that it looked like on the picture. Wow, look how they're wrapping these dolls. And like I said, I save all this. Oh, let's carefully do this. She is so pretty. I am not going to tell you what collab she is for, but she's absolutely perfect. I think once I brush out that hair, let's pull it off. Once that hair is, oh God, that's going to be perfect. Oh, she is going to be perfect. Let's take a look at these eyelashes and the eyes. Oh my goodness, look at those eyelashes. Yes, they are nice. That's beautiful. Oh, I love, that's the one I think we need. Oh gosh, she is so cute. Love, love, love this doll. Woo-hoo. And then of course I got hands. Let's take a quick look at this one. I liked her so much, I bought two. Sometimes my dolls become the character from the collab that I'm doing, and I like them so much, I leave them like that, and then it's like, oh, this outfit would be cute on, and it's like, oh, I hate to take that outfit off. So I like this doll so much, I bought two. Look at that hair. Oh, I love red hair. Love, 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 love red hair. All right, won't she be cute for... Oh, gosh. Let's check eyes. Oh, look at those eyelashes. I'm going to leave hers there. Oh, yeah, they work really nice. There's my twins. This one is going to be a gift for someone. I'm debating if I want to do a face-up, but I'm thinking, I don't know. We'll see. I'm still thinking on it. She's not going out tomorrow. Oh, she couldn't go out tomorrow. I'm too busy. Oh, she's so cute. I have a doll like this. I have a doll like this that I made into a clown. I named Linger. And when I bought Linger, I bought a spare. This is just a really, really cute doll. Boy, they really have these wrapped now, which is such a nice thing. Oh boy, I might have to cut that. Where's her string? Okay. So these Blythes really are for a purpose, mostly because they make me happy. This one's gonna get some outfits. Oh, I see, it's up under her neck. Okay, we got it now. Here we go. Isn't she adorable with these little braids? I just love it. And I looked underneath thinking they were cheating on the hair. They are absolutely not. I was very surprised when I saw that they had the full amount of hair. All right, let's look at eyes. I'm not a pink fan. I can't imagine. Oh God, that's really cute. She is adorable. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I'm so glad you joined me for opening my new items. This is part 1. There will be a part 2 and a part 3. I have, Darren put up those shelves, so I guess I thought, yeah, bring in more dolls. I have places to put them. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.